Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make steak not chewy. Start with the right cut, like a ribeye or sirloin, ideally around 1.5 inches thick. Before cooking, let your steak sit out for about 30 minutes to reach room temperature. This ensures even cooking. Don't forget to thoroughly pat it dry with paper towels. Removing surface moisture is crucial for achieving that beautiful, flavorful crust we all love. Once prepped, heat a heavy-bottomed pan, like cast iron, with a high smoke point oil until shimmering. Sear your steak for 2 to 3 minutes per side to develop a rich crust. Then, transfer it to a 375-degree Fahrenheit oven to finish cooking to your preferred doneness. Crucially, let the steak rest for 5 to 10 minutes after cooking. This allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring a tender, flavorful bite. The way you slice your steak significantly impacts its tenderness. Always slice against the grain, which means cutting perpendicular to the muscle fibers. This shortens the fibers, making each bite much easier to chew and more enjoyable. Use a very sharp knife for clean, precise cuts, avoiding any tearing of the meat. Serve your perfectly cooked and sliced steak immediately with your preferred accompaniments for a delicious meal. To avoid a chewy steak, never overcrowd your pan. This lowers the temperature, steaming the meat instead of searing it, which prevents that delicious crust. Also, resist the urge to constantly flip your steak. Let it develop a good sear. Most importantly, avoid overcooking. Use a meat thermometer to hit your desired internal temperature precisely. For more tips and great deals, including the new Kindle Paperwhite, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.